This short video is going to demonstrate how to set up and operate your Wrapmaster Home dispenser. To open the dispenser, press the front button and lift the lid. Then, press and hold the buttons on both sides, while gently pulling the carriage forward. Remove the rod, end caps, and adapters from inside the dispenser. The adapters have been designed to fit different sizes of food wrap cores. The black one is for smaller food wrap cores, and the gray one for larger food wrap cores. Take one adapter and one orange end cap and attach these to the rod. Push the rod through the inner core of your kitchen wrap roll. Then, take the second adapter and end cap and attach these to the other side of the rod. Place the roll into the dispenser. The orange end caps should sit neatly in the grooves on each side. Once the roll is positioned inside the dispenser, pull out a short length of material over the top of the carriage, and then push the carriage back to lock it in place. Now, push down the lid to cut off any excess kitchen wrap. You're now ready to use the Wrapmaster Home dispenser. Dispensing the required length of kitchen wrap is hassle-free. Simply pull the desired length of wrap from the Wrapmaster Home dispenser and push the lid down to cut. Wrapmaster Home can be used with most store or national brand kitchen wraps as long as they have a cardboard or plastic core and are no more than 250 feet long. To close and lock the dispenser, hold the lid closed and slide up the front button. The kitchen wrap remains ready in place for the next use. Keeping the Wrapmaster Home clean couldn't be easier. You can use hot soapy water or sanitizer spray and a cloth to wipe clean the surfaces. The Wrapmaster Home can also be placed in the dishwasher. Remove the wrap from the dispenser and place upside down in your dishwasher for a deeper clean when needed. The Wrapmaster Home has been designed to fit most kitchen drawers. You can also store it in a cupboard or simply leave it on the counter, ready for operation.